Getting a breaking update of an anti-terror operation that is being carried out in Kulgam, where 4 terrorists who have been neutralized. Unfortunately, 2 army jawans have been martyred. As security forces had input of about 7 to 8 terrorists hiding in that area in the villages of Kulgam. We have Suhail with us right now with the update, as deferred pictures are also playing of this encounter, the anti-terror operation. Yes, Suhail.
Well, in fact, both these anti-terror operations continue here in South Kashmir's Kulgam district. So far, security forces have killed 4 terrorists and 2 army soldiers were also killed in action. We are reporting from Tinigam village of South Kashmir's Kulgam, where one of this operation is still underway. Here, security forces had input about the presence of 4 to 5 terrorists. Yesterday in the evening, this operation was started after security forces acted on that information. 4 terrorists were killed until late in the evening, and security forces, of course, this is the joint operation led by Indian Army, Jammu and Kashmir Police and CRPF are also part of this operation. Here the cordon and in fact around this entire encounter location is still in place. We are also witnessing drone cameras being used to keep surveillance around the encounter spot. Similar anti-terror operation is underway in Motargam area of South Kashmir's Kulgam. There the security forces had input about the presence of 2 to 3 terrorists, and during the initial exchange of gunfire, 1 army soldier had received critical blood injuries, and later on he succumbed to his injuries. This is what we are picking up from the official sources. But as of now, on day 2nd, both of these 2 anti-terror operations continue to take place in South Kashmir's Kulgam district. Both of them are very important for the security forces, given the security situation that prevails in Jammu and Kashmir. This Kulgam district, in fact, is close to Pir Panjal areas, Rajouri and Poonch, where we have seen multiple terror strikes taking place. And so security forces, particularly the Indian Army, has paced up their anti-terror operations, as a result of which we see these 2 encounters taking place here in South Kashmir's Kulgam district. On day 2nd, these 2 operations still continue here in South Kashmir's in Kulgam district. And as I said, 4 terrorists have been killed. 2 army soldiers have been also killed in action during these 2 anti-terror operations, and security forces, of course, jointly in a close coordination and synergy trying to track down all those terrorists hiding in this particular area in both the villages of South Kashmir's Kulgam. Back to you.
All right, as far as these anti-terror operations are concerned, unfortunately, we've lost 2 of our jawans, but 4 terrorists who have been neutralized. There are others who are said to be hiding in the area, where the search operations still continue on part of our joint forces.